Hey lovely people, welcome back to another episode of Stitches Beads Collection. I'm Miss Stitches. Today I want to share with you how to make the small size DIY vintage pearl bag. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. Materials needed. Now we are going to start making the base of the bag. So we cut our fish line. Now we pick 5 beads. And now pick another bead and cross both sides with it. So you get something like a ring. Now we join both ends and then pick another bead and pass it through both fish line. So you get something like this. So you look for the opposite bead, okay? The opposite one, the one next to the one you placed in the middle. Then you pick one side, and pass it through the opposite one. And pick the other side and pass it through the opposite side as well. All we are doing is to fix one in the middle, okay? So you get something like a flower. This is the base of the bag. Now we are going to start working around it. You need to get both ends and then fix one small pearl bead on one side, as you can see, and then fix 2 big beads, okay, 2 big beads on the same side again, and cross with one small bead, as you can see. So we do the same to the next part. But now we pick 2 beads rather. Fix on one side, the last end, okay? Fix it on the last end. And then cross with one small bead as well. So we are going to repeat the same thing to this side, the same process to this side. So I'm going to do that off camera. Alright, so with the last part, we are passing the thread or the fish line through the big bead and a small bead here. Now to the small pearl bead here. Yes, so the fish line can come out to from the top, okay? Now you pick 2 big beads, fix one on the other side, and now we are going to cross with a big bead rather. So this is actually the base of the bag. Okay, this is the complete base of the bag now. Now we are making the body of the bag. So this time you pass the thread or the fish line through 2 black beads, okay, through the big ones, like this. And then you fix 1 white bead on one side. This time it can be on any side you want, okay, meaning it's the right or the left side. And then you pick 2 big beads again, and then fix it on the same side and cross with another white. So you get something like this. And then we repeat the same process to the other side by passing the fish line through 2 big beads. By this time, take black beads and put it on the same side. Note that the side that passes through the beads, you don't have to put any bead there, okay? So you have to put it on the empty side, and then we cross with another white bead again. Now you are making the body of the bag, so you can see it forming. You pass it through 2 black beads. Then you pick another 2 black beads again and cross with 1 pearl bead. As you can see, the body is forming. So I'm going to do it off camera to this side. So with the last part, we pass the fish line or the thread through the 2 black beads. By this time it goes through the last white bead as well. So we get the thread out, okay? Then we fix 2 black beads, or you pick 2 black beads and fix 1, and then you cross with the last one. So the thread will come out to start the second section, okay? So we can see a cute bag forming. Our thread is getting finished, so I'm going to pass it through everything, okay? Pass it through and then join with a new thread. So after you pass everything through, don't mind me, I've not passed it through, okay? Because sometimes when you pass it through, the hole is small to start with the new thread, okay? So after I'm done, I'll pass everything through. So from where you ended, you pass your new thread through the 2 black beads again. Then here we are. Can you see? As you can see, it's set. So we are going to start with the next part. So with the next part, we pick one white bead. You can put it on any side, okay? And then take 2 black beads on the same side. And then cross with white bead, with 1 white bead. So you pull to make the next step. So with the next part, you pass the thread or fish line through the next 2 black beads. Then repeat the same process, but this time we take 2 black beads. Fix it on one side, the empty side. And then we cross with 1 white bead or 1 pearl bead. So we are forming the next part. So we are going to repeat the same process to the end, of which I'm going to do it off camera. Alright, so we are going to repeat the same process so we get the full length of the bag. So cute and beautiful. So with the last part, we pass it through 2 blacks as usual, then to the white ending. Then we fix 1 black bead, then cross with the last one. Now we are done with the body of the bag and we are yet to do the handle. Okay, so with the handle you have to pass one side of the thread through the beads. So watch how I'm doing it. I do this way. I do it this way just to make the work nice, okay? to make your bag neat. So it comes out of this side, just as seen. So now we are going to fix the handle. So you pick the beads. We are using the black beads, okay? So you can fix one black bead first, and then put one white bead. As you can see, okay, it can be this way, or you use only the black beads for the handle, anyhow you want it. So with the handle I fixed 11 beads, but depending on how long you want the handle, the number of beads you fix. In all, like with the round parts, we have 12, okay? So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the other part of the handle comes between the seed bead, okay? So please watch how I fix it. So to get a nice work, that is how we fix it. This is how you fix it. Now we are going to pass the fish line through everything to make the handle firm. After passing the thread or the fish line through, we cut off the excess one. So you just fix in your sack bag. And we are good to go. Here is your small size vintage pearl bag. Please comment and share. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of my tutorials. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. See you in my next video and bye.